Sanibonani bafethu, welcome to Omni Audio Africa. Your voice lady Ulerato, ngiphethe umdu ngapha, ngiphethe unkuli. So guys, today we are going to discuss about ama transfer ku PSL, about what happened ku Mamelodi Sundowns, you know, indaba ka Adams and all the stuff. Machita nimnandi nikerent.
Lerato my sister kunjani?
Ngimnandi wena.
Why?
Kulza.
Ngimnandi wena. Ngimnandi sibuyile. I Betway Premiership izoqala in the next few weeks, so sijabule bafethu.
So guys, you know ukuthi kuyenzakalani ku PSL. So ngifuna ukuthi sicale ngePirates. We have a new thing ukuthi uRilu hambile, and then there's a new player oku DDC. Some of the fans thinks ukuthi the player will replace Urile, which is Kim Popo, you know him guys. So he's a good player for Nana Kim Shebela ko DDC. So I get to mtu how shebile Pop aka replace Rile mole number 10 we are
I think now if we're expecting him to be replacement, there relates unfair on the boy. Really nearly replacement man. Really came and made a name for himself. So Leon Mfano Aba Mufe a chance at and make a name for himself and not even have to live up to standards to anyone. You look at Listia Orlando Pirates and let's so Villa Gazata and Nesi replacement to anyone. He made a name for himself. Kifli Remy. He wasn't a replacement for everyone. Teku Mudise wasn't a replacement for anyone. So I think it's a bit unfair to expect Mfano Khora replace the relay given the standards are relay and what relay is achieved. Mfano Pelale now Sakena no. So when relay again Alena, he was given a chance Khora Shine again Adala Libolodge when Orlando like Nicolali played a sharp around relay, they're allowed for him to grow and express himself. So I think Lena Mfano Melba Mupi chance man in Kulilo Mfana as Bonagalise as Veze and Coach Abdeslam Moad angabi too harsh on the boy because usasemncane and esazi ukuthi umfana ibhola lakhe libhola leli besile enjoy ngabo 2002 lelabo Skarambo base so masingamvumela ukuthi aligibele he'd be the dribbling wizard that we've never had in a very long time in South African football.
So what do you think when ucabanga ngabe replacement yaka Rile?
Yeah, ngizovumelana nomdula yabo isikhathi esiningi uyageja but ngicabanga la ukuthi right ukorile yabo hayi njenge Strikers zenye team. So uPope ngengambuke uPope ngengambukela kumakasi games lo mfana lo is fearless yabo ustrong just that maybe Orlando Pirates mele bamvumela ukuthi adlale istyle sakhe ngicabanga ukuthi lapho kuzokwazi ukuba delivera serious yabo uyiplay good kakhulu and I like the fact that every season Orlando Pirates bafethu iyaz-promote le ntwana encane and bayakwazi ukunika game time uyahlulekela wena mawuhluleka but game time uzoyithola ku Orlando Pirates. So shout out to the coach and technical team nokupusha labafana laba babuya ku DTC team and bamnominatile kuma awards one of the biggest stars lapha ku DTC.
So mdu there's a thing we have your Kabelo Dlamini udlala role area number 10, we have your Tito udlala role is number 10 and then obviously ke rona le ntwe gore Voetboy tla ba msign maybe ka ba replace ya yanto. So according to nna ke nagana gore aba fe Tito maybe chance I ke bona jang ba mo fere bona gore ka fa ka Kabelo Dlamini because role number 10 ba tla motho le reng experience teng nna the way ke bona ka teng bolo ya award ile nka teng understand because ba ka mo ka ngwanole ba mbele ngole jersey imbimele. So, and then in us as fans we come there this and this. So according to when do you think Tito season tama phamisele tso gore role ele a itlale ska the way relay is leng ka teng o nagana ngwe?
I think Tito tsantsa kenye matso mo potleng. He mustn't even raise his hands. The reason kicho so Utito is andla maslale squaming. He mustn't raise his hand for that position. Utito has been given a fair chance to Orlando Pirates. Ultolili to Utito go Orlando Pirates, and as much as a lot of people are probably gonna think go to a character assassination, I don't even need to hate the guy. All I can say is that he's not a good player, especially for a team as big as Orlando Pirates. He doesn't offer the team anything in attack. He doesn't offer the team anything in defense. This is how we fix our football. Utito must not even bother raising his hands this season. For me, if I was coach Abdeslam, I would being him loaner. Even if Singamlona kubo Chipa United, where azokwazi ukwenza lezi zinto zakhe abe right. That number 10 role, unfortunately Kabelo Dlamini is not a favorite, but nafo nakena motho na kaidlala because Kabelo Dlamini o khona break a low block, Kabelo Dlamini o khona shapa di set piece, Kabelo Dlamini also knows how to slow down tempo ya game and he knows how to make the game play to advantage ya high. But it's so unfortunate for maybe Asuti style sa wa udlala, but neither Kabelo Dlamini or Tito are gonna be able to assume that role under coach Abdeslam Moad because Oadu dlala transitional football and obatla bolo yang kopile ya attacker. So I think that's why they desperately want Emil Witbooi gore nangu umuntu ongathi uzoba effective lapha yana uzokwazi ukuthi adlale. Otherwise ozona police tlamela inke that position at number 10 ibe Tshepang Moremi on the left and then Kamkhelo Sibelebele push up plays right wing, Dino van Rooyen agutlela ko position ya gae. But as for Tito akagoba izandla this
wena nkulu kabanga
inzima kakhulu indaba ye position number 10 because yamasibheka uRile Mfukeng last season yo ma contributions wakhe maningi kakhulu, so umuntu okumele step up kule number 10 ne responsibility enkulu yabo. Angimbona uTito mina ayithwali Orlando Pirates because kule position mele uthwali Orlando Pirates, but uTito ngimbona as a player angaba ne influence from the bench yabo. Yena unokuzama ukuhlanganisa uTito yabo, unpredictable. If khona iplayer eligerezayo bafethu uTito uyakwazi ukugereza, but ke ngeke uthi i-team ayikholelwe kuyithembele kuye yabo everything nje makabamba ibhola ukuthi uzoba producela. Orlando Pirates maybe noma ingakhohlwa number 10 bangadlala izitayile ezi different. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ucoach Owadu ucoach Ogudi odlalile nalena phesheya unama systems maybe ayi-20 different yabo, akangabi predictable.
Okay, guys, please don't forget to engage with us kuma socials wethu TikTok, Facebook ne YouTube yala ku Omni Audio. So guys, nibonile Owadu uhambile ayi Spain bana bayilo ko pre-seasoning nto wabo. So what do you think about that thing? Like it was necessary gore ba mo le ko Spain ka ba ituletse mo then ba itrainela. What do you think about that pre-season gore Pirates tsamile ya ko Spain? Una le difference ona na go itlo ba teng aba guta, because you know we have new players and the players they need gore di pre-season so that coach a tlo gona ba bone gore maybe ba suta who philosophy ya kae, style of play sa kae ona kana ka.
Remember Orlando Pirates are the defending champions of the Betway Premiership. They know the kind of football edlalwang mo gae. They need a challenge elsewhere, but like to learn new things. So how lo dlala against the teams like Spain, even though sometimes you're not playing against the first team, but it shows you the standard that development ya bona, because lirin twana tsenya ntsa mole de gona matisa bo Sbisi ki mo atla bonang di mistakes tsa gae gore actually as a center back mele ngwazi cover la ngdalela because now he's an international player. So this pre-season ya ba prepare for them to have a better season in the Betway Premiership. Re bone ba sebeletse last season when they went to Spain, they came back banka MTN8. They even held Mamelodi Sundowns because confidence yabo na badlala kakwa ya boostega, and we saw Relebohile Mfukeng lena na koba ile kakwa kena na tabalaza za madilo tse di ba. So I think le pre-season le ukuthi ba travel ba hamba amanye amazwe iya season also, and not only for the team ukuthi buyi perform kahle ku Betway Premiership, but for individual brilliance ama player, because kuna amanye ama player abababonanga throughout the season because ama scouts bawanga ibheki PSL, but now that this team ama defending champions is in Spain, khona di scouts tlotlore ngole athi sibone nge pre-season good le team iphethe, and you never know someone like a Cameron Denson angabona, because for me he's the player that I'm looking forward to seeing the most next season. And again a player ki bona ngenaling chance gora see Betway Premiership and go straight to a big European league because of the way adlala thing or direct o passer, he's a risk taker, wa shooter, reading a high of the game and understanding a high of the game is better than Yabat Babangata. So I think Yabat to Santua preseason, I'm just not sure if it's helping Chiefs because Labaya preseason they still come back and lose. So but for Orlando Pirates and Sundowns, yes,
I-pre-season yase Spain right ukuba challenge yabo. Mina inkinga ukuba challenge nanokuthi badlale kwenye country different. Ingqondo mele ureset ngithi mawuzohlala udlala ama pre-season eSoweto ayisizi le nto le yabo. But Orlando Pirates last season beyifuna ukulwa ku CAF Champions League. Na into mina nginenkinga ngama South African teams. Why bangakhempi kwamanye ama country la on the continent, because Orlando Pirates uzodlala i-CAF Champions League ngithi. Ifuna what is this way them do the intensity level ngithi singisi nizwile bafethu. Yes, they that aggression nokulwa man ukulwa nalama teams wase Africa. So imagine if Orlando Pirates beyikwazi maybe ukempa eDRC yabo, Orlando Pirates if beyikwazi maybe ukempa eMali, if kungenzeka idlala eMali ihit yakhona labantu laba bade banomzimba. Orlando Pirates nabadlala abaningi abanomzimba emncane yabo, so into ebashayile even nalapha no Champions League because mabaloke babakhahlela kuba nzima for bona. But Spain siyabasiza because they matching ama world class players, because obviously yazi ukuthi nama world class facilities lapha eSpain, ingakho neKaizer Chiefs ilandelile aya kuphi eSpain.
Asikhulume magents. Pirates release it ebuthelezi. So utsamayila ke guys. So what do you think? Notlame mawucabanga ukuthi Pirates ngathola muphu goalkeeper because ulina nabo nabamlandelela ngithi sizwile and then kwathola ukuthi Chiefs yamthatha. So which goalkeeper ona kana gore akaba le competition le Sporting?
Number one, good choice for release Buthelezi. Because izandla besizomile besizigcwele idust ahleli lapha ebenchini amdana abantu ahamba ayothola
asinali game time wayibona
to game time also, so very good call to release him. Bengambona umuntu that can replace Sipho Chain Abengambona umuntu that can lead the team. Like, you know, Lerato Dilo Tsering, when you play for teams, Orlando Pirates, Chiefs, Mamelodi Sundowns, there's a specific character as much as Utito is not my favorite player, but the reason Orlando Pirates will constantly renew contract high character. Says if I look I'll just do what I do, and he always proves me wrong. So I think Kibone Batravit Liba Fanabai too. It's Super Chain and these two boys. I'm assuming one of them Kwako TDC. I think it's about time. We go back to what we used to do. Kabo Senzomi, we renke Montwako development. I take it over because you look at the Betway Premiership right now. Como fun goalkeeper Ungaraka fitla compete Sipo Chain. Because Brendan Peterson ki first choice Chiefs.
And Elina
but also, can he live up to the standard? No. When he against Rangers, so he can't live up to the standard. So I think PSL right now the goalkeeper take 3. And that's a big concern. Which is Peterson, Kichain, Williams. Well, Likos Zombala 4. Those are the only goalkeepers.
But there is something a problem.
And Bakululu Sipo Chain is the youngest, I think, Gubo. Maruguma late 20s, right? So it's a big concern for Arnadi goalkeeper more South Africa, which means that now I'm a goalkeeper coach Tabo Kran Johnson, Nahoban Ban Meleba Pagamisa Matlav, Bings Otamasugis, Meleba Tonza Matlav, Otima chance as preparing a goalkeeper because clearly my team I want a goalkeeper. And I'm a goalkeeper fan and striker for me.
Yeah, or who will academy maybe for the goalkeeper? Will academy get the goalkeeper only. Wow, what about who take him to a good goalkeeper? So when you
I think ubuthelezi okay bebangamthembi even namafans Orlando Pirates makuvimba yena bobona ukuthi babijake abamthembi but there's something great about Orlando Pirates in terms of scout ama player even nabo goalkeeper bangiscoutela umuntu odlala eteam ku Chippa United afika be star ku Orlando Pirates so they have this eye for talent uthola ukuthi umuntu asimnaki nokumnaka ugoalkeeper sazi ukuthi bangaletha mhlawumbe umuntu odlala ku Orbit College ugoalkeeper babona ama qualities wakhe thina besingawaboni Sipo Chain besingawabona bengingamazi nokumazi uSipo Chain bengamnaki nokumnaka yabo same thing nale indaba yaka Siema bekashawa bench ku Galaxy but Orlando Pirates they were able to spot him ukuthi no lo muntu lona uzokwazi ukudlala ku Orlando Pirates so but ba unpredictable kakhulu ngendlela abasayina ngayo ama player abadecide ngayo I'm sure khona ugoalkeeper abambhekile banama choices amaningi Orlando Pirates mawababheka like I technical team yabo ihlakaniphe kakhulu bafuthi sengiyamkhohlwa lo baba lo ngoba ngihlezi ngilisho uJacobs bahlakaniphe kakhulu banama players like amaningi abawabhekayo abawaprofileayo it's not just ukuthi sesisayina umuntu ngoba manje sesi under pressure no ba relaxile labantu laba bayayazi into abayenza isikhathi esiningi but will be interesting to see ukuthi bazo add muphi ugoalkeeper after ubuthelezi ekuthiwa ujoin isikhukhune United senzani isikhukhune madoda
Zapifab. Everyone guys. Pirates Baba need a striker. For Naki need a who need a striker because battle light competitions and that. Champions League is there, M10-8, Carling, Kaufelight competitions in it. So for now I see Pirates by a sign a player, Guamanyama position, but problem you will go pay. You don't have a strike. And if you are Champions League, you need a leader strike. So when according to me, but according to people, fans to say, Banida Peter Shaluli. And at Avaya Shaluli, we know Hori, Shaluli, Mamelodi Sundowns, they have a contract whereby there's a clause Hori, or what I mean, you must find another team abroad. So according to Anamtu, Unakana striker saving back because Kibonankari, Lateleti Shaluli, Unali Dion Colin Arose, Unakana, striker saving glory, the cast battles on the price because you need a strike.
So I think the biggest question we should be asking ourselves, number one, as football fans, spectators, analysts, and legends. The biggest question MLS is Buzo and what is corner let's strike Pirates and sign. Look at Asia Peter Shalulile. Why Mamelodi Sundowns will release it? If it was that important for Sundowns, don't you think Sundowns can extend the contract high?
Apparently, Mamelodi Sundowns are released Shalulile and we cope it.
Why about Lutsamai or Sundowns?
No game time.
Yeah, besides so that, maybe we are elsewhere to try something else.
Listen to where my point is going. If you are not useful next door, so useful kanjani next door. If Gina basakufuni, if ana no muntu oshadile, Jonas. Wenze konke lokho agenzile omuphi umfazi ozomthatha. So for me, I think the biggest problem is that the PSL yonke akuna strike. Because other than Ushalulile, let's say Chiefs in Kashalulile before Orlando Pirates, who does Pirates look for? And it doesn't seem Golden Arrows is willing to sell Dion to all. And Dion Ogare no battle overseas, which is not a bad thing. I understand. So the problem is that the South Africa guna must strike. So the issue is not Orlando Pirates or Chiefs not signing strikers. The issue is that South Africa kunama striker. Kangisa Mayo, the whole season, how many goals did he score for Kaizer Chiefs? And he's South African, or he's of South African descent. And then Uchebali, Evidence Mahupa, Uchebali Yanela Mbutuma. You look at Yena Lyle Foster, you look at Ikram Renas. I'm a striker with South Africa lao with 5 and Wabalili. Banama goal engaki. Banama contribution engaki.
So do you think you must go abroad? You want a striker abroad?
If you can't beat them, join them. Philosophy of Mamelodi Sundowns yokuhamba bayofuna umuntu South America. Orlando Pirates inemali, they can afford it. Abahambe bayofuna umuntu outside bamotlisa barindota be the striker, because asina striker la South Africa. We have a scarcity yama striker, and this is also a call to all the legends. Abo Sean Bartlett, late striker Lisbeza Zamagol, nabo Penny McCarthy kuti open an academy yama striker. Fundisani into ana striker, fundisani into ana finisher. Penny McCarthy was a striker coach ko Manchester United. Not trainer bo Garnacho libo Cristiano Ronaldo nakwili. So lintwana tsetsinyane tsamo Penny McCarthy, like they can learn a lot from Penny McCarthy. Angabafundisa ukuthi as a striker uthathe run so ushuta so wenza so. But also the issue is, do the strikers get enough supply?
And it depends on the system that you play.
Because if you are pega Orlando Pirates, the only person okwazi ukuthola umbutuma uTsepang Moremi ha cross. Okwazi ukuthola uMahupa, the only time you find Mahupa in the box is when uTsepang Moremi as a crosser. Other than that, Abu Rile bona bebathathe responsibility wankafuna ukukora yena, which is not a bad thing, because umbutuma one-on-one no goalkeeper. And I think ama strikers of South Africa mele bahlabela inkomo ehlanyayo. And the reason I'm saying this is because whenever babhekana nePala ngathi kuba mnyama ebusweni benkawo.
No, for Pirates only. Scaring for the team today. Ucabanga nona nkulu. Uthi Pirates kumele ithole strike.
Eshe nami yazi ngiyazama ukucabanga ukuthi ubani abangamthola kuphi kanjani. Kunzima kakhulu ukuthi mesibheka nje kuwo wonke ama team ukuthi isiphi strike abangasithola kanjani. I think ama teams Orlando Pirates ne development at the end of the day. Kumele babe ne 5-year plan angithi bakhulisa istrike eziproper, abamfundise nje umfana ukuhlala eboxini akwazi ukushaya akwazi ukufinisha kahle. But ke Orlando Pirates ijwayele ukubheka on the continent. Ngike ngakhuluma ngeGolden Arrows ukuthi bayakwazi ukuthatha ama players wamanye ama teams or on the continent like Africa bangabheka intwana maybe zako Nigeria, zako Ghana, zakuphi kuphi. Zikhona intwana eziproper abangathola if bazobheka kahle yabo, because Orlando Pirates bazokunika amabhola bafowethu. Moyistrike Orlando Pirates kumele ube leading top goal scorer, but ke ngoba unenkinga striker lapha Orlando Pirates ababa ama leading top goal scorer yabo, but ke abanye abantu sebaze ba believe elekutheni Orlando Pirates ayidlali ngestrike. Ayikho team engadlali ngestrike. Lube ne finisher eserious, umuntu omazi ukuthi yazini lo masiphethe yena lapha phambili siyazi ukuthi sokora noma inini yabo, noma kuthiwa kusele 1 minute kusele how many, but siyazi ukuthi ayithola ichance yabo uzoyivalela phakathi. Kodwa nangu uMajoro ngathi uqala iacademy yakhe, but ke ngathi upart time nakule academy yakhe ngoba manje useLondon. Asazi ukuthi ulandeni.
But maybe ngafundisa uMahupa noMbuthuma baye lapha ngoba ngathi ipalo lona baliboni.